Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at the second conditional. The second conditional is used for a future situation that is unlikely or impossible. For the condition, we use if plus the past simple. And for the result, we use would plus the infinitive, like do, give, or fly. The condition can go before or after the result. For example, if Ben became the president, he would give everyone $10,000. Emma would fly if she had a superpower. The first conditional and the second conditional can both be for a future situation, but the first has a likely result and the second is unlikely or impossible. Compare these two examples. If Marie has enough money, she will buy a new bag. This is likely. If Marie had enough money, she would buy a private jet. This is unlikely or impossible. The second conditional can also be used for a present situation, which is impossible. For example, if Roberto could be an animal, he would be a dog. This is impossible. Instead of would, we can also use should, could, or might. For example, if Ted became a billionaire, he should help the poor. If humans had better technology, we could live on Mars. If humans could travel anywhere in the universe, we might meet other life forms. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using the second conditional and leave it in the comments below. If you like our videos, please share them with a friend. We'd really appreciate it. For more videos, please check out our Facebook page. And don't forget to like and follow it. Thank you.